Hi y'all, it's Neva from Manic Mama Musings, and I'm back with what I made for the week. Ta-da! I've been busy. So first I'll talk about this hat, which don't mind the fur. I have to wash it and rinse. Anyway, I'll take care of the fur. Our older dog is shedding way more than she ever has before, but it's a beanie, and I made it for the Nana Rosanna's Crochet with Nana Rosanna. Her book cover cow. Oh my gosh, my brain just got stuck. So the book was the interview with the vampire. There was two different covers. There was a yellow one and a red one, and I went with the red one. It was red and black. This was an opportunity to make my honey a hat because he loves all the beanies I make him. All I did was double crochet all the way down to here. Then I did a front loop in black, and then a back loop a front post and then a back post in black. Then once again double crochets. Then again I did the front post, back post in the black, then double crochets, and then half double crochets in the back loop for the bottom. So it was just a easy, 2-row repeat. And that I was showing y'all the back of the hat. Anyway, it looks good on him. Maybe I'll take a picture of him with it on one of these days. But yeah, but I enjoyed this, making it up in my head. And of course, being inspired by the colors of the book cover. And just so happens that red and black are LJ's favorite colors. So, win-win all the way around.
I'm so happy.
Now, I will show, I've been making chickens. I made a white chicken. Made a red chicken. I made a little tiny orange chicken. And I made a gray and white chicken. I will try to remember or try to find the pattern so I can link it down below for you. Awesome.
Those are adorable.
I love them. They're so cute. I got a little chicken family.
I have a little chicken nugget. That's cute.
Yeah, this one's a chicken nugget. I've already sold the little one and one of the bigger ones. Then next, I made tumblers. Now, I made one more than what's here. But that one went to my daughter. My oldest daughter, she likes mini stuff. So, this is a tutorial. I'll try to find the tutorial and link it down below. But they're absolutely cute. And I made one into a bag charm, as requested. But these this one was a request, and these are ones that I just made up. Stop that, Hagrid. Sorry, guys. Then there is ear warmers. This is for Litza from Coco's Crochets cow. So every 2 weeks. This 2 weeks is ear warmers and headbands. So I didn't weave that one in. But this one, I just made up. Every one of them I just did out of my head. So. And these were yarns that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. The last clearance they had. This one came out real pretty. I'm probably going to keep this one. But I might still donate it just because it's a really thick one. And then I made this one. This yarn is a Hobby Lobby yarn, but I think it's been discontinued. But it's like homespun. And I did the little turban looking knot. So there's those. That was her for her cow. Oh, I found another chicken.
You like the colors on that one.
I do too. I didn't like working with this yarn. It's a bulkier weight, and I don't know how to explain it. It made everything really stiff. And then I made a little Grogu. This was a tutorial. He got a little smushed. There's Grogu. I made some cats. My mushroom isn't here. I'll have to try to find a picture of it and put it in the pictures because it already went to my daughter. And I made a strawberry. Like I said, I don't know if I can find all these patterns where I found them at, because some of them I have downloaded. And then here's my snake. I had a little bit of this yarn left after that chicken, and so I made a snaky snake. I think he's really cute. And I will try to remember to put this tutorial in there. So that is what I did in a week. I also have pictures that I'm going to remember this time of Karen's stuff. I will do my very best to put them at the end. And I'll try to find the picture of the mushroom to put in here. And I think that's it, guys. That's what I made in a week. And I needed to get it out because it was a lot. And I need to be able to put it away. So now I can. And I will catch you guys in the next video. I love y'all. Mwah.